Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, inshallah, we will talk about force. Force mean it is pull or push that cause motion. So we can say we have two type of force, pull force and push force. Okay, what is meant by pull force? Pull force mean move object toward you, but push force move object away from you. For example, number one, when you kick the ball. When you kick the ball, what is the type of force in this example? Push force. But number two, open the door, it is pull force. Okay. The second point we will talk about magnet. Magnet. Okay, the magnet. Pull or push force. The magnet has two or both force, pulling and pushing. Before that, what what is meant by magnet? The magnet is made of iron, nickel, cobalt, between brackets, metal. Okay, the magnet has two poles, north poles and south pole. North pole. What is the symbol of North Pole? N, and colored with red, as we shown in this figure. Number two, South Pole. The symbol of South Pole, S, and colored with blue. Okay. There are two types of object. The object that attract to magnet and the object that not attract to magnet. The object that attract to magnet, between brackets, metal, like or for example iron nail, paper clip or key. Uh, but not attracted to magnet, the object that not attracted to magnet, for example pencil, ball, chair, uh, or any object made of wood, plastic. Okay. We have notes. The magnet has magnetic force. Okay, the magnetic force known as magnetism. You can see this magnetic force when the object attracted to magnet. For example, iron nail attracted to magnet, but pencil not attracted to magnet. You can see the attraction or this force between the magnet and the object or metal. No, you can't see it, so it is called invisible force. Invisible mean you can't be seen. Okay. So the magnetic force known as magnetism, and magnetism invisible. Invisible, you can't see this force. So the force is strongest at two poles. I um i explained before we have two poles in the magnet. So this force or magnetic force is known as magnetism. It is very strong at two poles, north and south pole. Okay. The second point, magnetic field. Repeat after me, magnetic field. Magnetic field, area around the magnet in which the effect of magnetic force appear. Okay. Okay, what is meant by area around the magnet? We have in this note to observe the magnetic field, put iron filling around the magnet. Okay, when you put iron filling around the magnet will attract to iron filling, so it attraction force or pulling force. Okay, the area around the magnet that the magnet attracted to this object iron filling, this area called magnetic field, and in this area the magnetic force appear. Okay, so the area around the magnet that appear the magnetic force, this called magnetic field. And the magnetic field, you can observe the magnetic field when you put iron filling around the magnet. Okay, so it's time for question. What happen if the two magnet, okay, the two magnet have different poles or similar poles. Okay, different poles. The two magnet, if the two magnet has different poles, they will attract. Okay, okay, attract. What is meant by attract? Attract mean it has attraction force. Okay, what is meant by attraction force? Attraction force mean pulling force, as I explained before. Okay, similar poles. What happen if the two magnets have similar poles? They will repel. Okay, repel. What is meant by repel? Repel, that's mean the two magnet has repulsion force. Okay, what does mean by repulsion force? Repulsion force mean pushing force. Okay. The last one, we will talk about compass. Okay, the compass, it is a tool that used to detect the direction. Okay, it is like GPS now. Okay, so from compass we will detect, we will know the direction. Okay, the compass, it is consist of small magnet needle. Okay, what happen if when you hold a free hanging magnet? Okay, what happened? The magnet fail to fixed direction. Okay, what is meant by fixed direction? The magnet has two poles. Okay, so the north pole point to the north direction of Earth, the south pole point to south direction of Earth. Okay, so the fixed direction point to north or south pole. Okay, uses of compass, it is important for navigation. Okay, navigation, navigation. Navigation mean determine the position of ship and airplane. Okay, so from compass we will know the position or the direction of unknown place, or determine or detect the direction. Okay, and السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.